In the cold kitchen light, we both look for a sign, and you say, these are troubles of mine.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new here. My name is Sydney and I love to make all kinds of decorating videos here on my channel. And today's video is going to be a Halloween decorate with me. I was originally just going to stick with my coffee bar, but I ended up finding some really cute things out at the stores, so I ended up incorporating it more throughout my house, which I will be showing you. If you would like to see what all I came up with for Halloween this year, then please continue to watch. Alright, so before I get started on decorating, I wanted to show you guys some things I picked up today. I went to Big Lots, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, and Walmart. So I'm gonna start over here. I found this welcome sign. I thought this would look really cute next to my Dollar Tree mat outside that says welcome to our haunted house. And this has the haunted house with the witch, which is my theme this year, so I think this will be perfect. And I found this for only $12 at Big Lots. Also at Big Lots, I found some more spider webs, and this is the glow in the dark. So I knew I wanted a bunch of these, so I picked up this from there. Now at Dollar General, I found these really cute pom-pom garlands, and they were in the orange and black, which are my colors. So I picked those up. They were only $1 each. I thought those were nice, so that's all I got from Dollar General. Now I went over to Marshall's and I found this really cute gnome, and it has the witch's feet and it's the black and white with the spider. I thought that was perfect. It has this little banner that says boo, and it was broken off, so the lady gave me some percentage off, I don't know, but he wasn't very expensive, so I'm really happy I picked that up. Now next, from Walmart, I knew I wanted more bats to decorate on the wall. So I picked this up and it was only a couple dollars, and I don't know how many it comes with, 12. And then I thought this was adorable from Walmart. Witches go riding and black cats are seen, tis however many days until Halloween. So I thought this would be fun for me and the kids to change every day. And this was only $5, so I thought that was adorable. Now also at Walmart, I got a bunch of these stems that were only $1. And I thought these would be really nice to put in my Rae Dunn bloom planters. So I just picked up a bunch of these plain black ones, and then some with the pumpkin. Also from Walmart, I picked up these little witch feet, and they're my colors, the orange and black. So I thought I would put these in a cup or something, have them sticking out. I also found these spiders that I might put on the wall somewhere, and those were only a couple dollars. And then also, I found this adorable gingerbread house, but this is for Halloween with the Halloween scene, and this was only $8, and I thought this would be really fun for me and the kids to do this, maybe actually on Halloween or just leading up to it. And I also wanted some Halloween sprinkles. I found these really cute ones. They have some ghosts in them. I thought I could make some muffins and add in some sprinkles just to make them more fun. And then at Walmart, I just picked up more of the regular cobwebs because I needed that. Now I bought this weekend at a Restore, and I thought this was so cute. I can use this year round. It's a little bird cage, but I thought it'd be really fun to display for Halloween and put something creepy inside, which brings me to these items. I got this from the Dollar Tree. Now, is this supposed to be a rat, bird? I'm not sure, but I was wondering if I should paint it white or paint it black. I'm still kind of deciding. So I picked that up. I picked these hands up to maybe go in this bird cage. So I'm between that thing, the hands, and then also I picked up this dollar skull from the Dollar Tree. So I didn't know if I should paint that white or black. So I'm kind of going in between. I'm gonna mess with it. Also from Dollar Tree, I picked up more of these spider rings that I was planning on cutting off the ring part and gluing the spiders on the wall. I found some more of the creepy cloth, but instead of the black, it's like this white, off-white color, which I thought was cool. Then lastly, I got more of the cobweb with the spiders already in it, so I thought that was cool. So that is everything I picked up, and I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating. So to start with, I made this sign that used to be a mirror that I painted with chalkboard paint. I cut out letters to spell Witch's Brew and used Mod Podge to glue them down. Then I looked off of a picture with steam on my phone to freehand it onto my chalkboard with a chalkboard pen. I then just placed a dollar witch's cauldron right in front of the steam. I used these Hobby Lobby stems for one side of the sign and a witch's broom for the other that I got from Target Dollar Spot. This Hocus Pocus cup was only $3.99 from Marshall's, and I thought it went perfect for my witch-themed coffee bar. These calendar blocks are from Hobby Lobby that I love to use year-round. I made this little witch's broom to go right on top, and I also added a Dollar Tree witch's hat. This book stack is a DIY using mini calendars and some jute rope. I also hung my DIY witch's broom to the left here. I bought these witch hats from the Dollar Tree that I painted to match, and I strung them with Dollar Tree twine to make a cheap and easy banner. This towel is from Hobby Lobby that I used to cover these extra hooks. My Hobby Lobby isn't selling any Halloween decor this year. I don't know if it's just my area or if it's everywhere, but it stinks because last year they had some awesome stuff for super cheap. I made a couple of Rae Dunn signs using the back side of my 4th of July ones I used this year. I just cut out the quote, glued the corners, and then added some witch hat stickers to finish them up. I love that these signs cost me nothing and turned out super cute. I absolutely love how my witch-themed coffee bar turned out this year. For my table, I laid down this table runner I got from Marshall's. I then laid down a wood tray I got from a boutique store and just added in some Rae Dunn items as well as some Halloween decor I used last year from Hobby Lobby. For my entryway, I started by adding cobwebs and black spiders to this mirror. Then I laid down some creepy cloth from the Dollar Tree. I then arranged some stems with my Dollar Tree skull centered right between them. I then covered it all with some cobwebs to make it look more creepy. On the left side, I added a Marshall's cake stand. I put my bird cage with the Dollar Tree rat right inside on top of the cake stand.
where we thought to break it up.
On the right side, I placed my vase with some sticks. My kids actually helped me collect all these sticks from the backyard.
Begin, 'cause I was there by your side.
On one of the sticks, I hung this DIY sign I made in my last video.
That will always be true. There were no reasons why.
To finish up the vase, I added these Dollar Tree back clips to the sticks.
We try hard, but we all.
For the bottom of the entryway table, I used this Hobby Lobby trick or treat sign from last year. I placed it in this bin as well as some Dollar Tree creepy cloth.
Are filled with pride. I'm a wreck when I'm not by your side. Yes, I know. Yes,
In the other bin, I just placed my new witch gnome.
there is no one as reckless as me. And now that you are
To finish up the entryway, I taped a bunch of spiders to the wall around the mirror using Scotch tape.
with this proper house, there were no reasons why. Yes, our beauty.
For my TV stand, I just removed my brighter pumpkins and left all of my white ones for my lanterns. Then I covered them with webs and spiders. I also added one of my Halloween Cozy Me candles to the center of the TV stand. For our front door, I wanted to make a Halloween wreath, so I took this old one I wasn't using and just simply added cobwebs and spiders to it. This was so inexpensive, but so cute and perfect for our front door.
'Cause I was there by your side, with my eyes open wide, and I know that will always be true. There were no reasons why.
I also added some cobwebs and spiders to our mum and pumpkins next to our doormat to just add a little Halloween feel. Next, I decorated my daughter's room by adding some adorable Halloween books to her bookshelves. These books were girly looking and had good reviews on Amazon, so I thought they would be perfect.
We also
Then I added in this DIY garland I made. I painted some pink ghosts and glued them on to have them match her room and the books as well. To finish this area, I added some of her fall clothes to this peg shelf. Next, I made these cute signs above her crib by just simply turning the original signs around and painting them.
cold kitchen light. We both look for a sign, and you say these are
After I painted them white, I used some Mod Podge to glue on the letters.
where we thought to break it up. Coming under your skin, don't know if we should stop or begin.
I finished up by draping an Amazon garland over them and added some black bats with some Scotch tape to her wall. Her room turned out so perfect in my opinion. Then for my son's room, I decorated his bookshelves as well with some Halloween books and Halloween crafts. I thought this quote on the letterboard was so cute and tied in with my daughter's room as well. We made these cute skeleton arms the other day as well as these ghost feet. I finished up by taping some bats on the wall and just love how it all came out. Okay, so that is everything for my Halloween 2020 Decorate With Me. I hope that you guys found some inspiration from today's video. If you did, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already so you never miss out on any decorating videos from me in the future. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful and blessed day.
Pride, I'm a wreck when I'm not by your side. Yes, I know that I have to agree. There is no one as reckless as me.